Are you looking for the best trash bags? In this video we will look at some of the 6 best trash bags on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best Overall Trash Bag. The Simple Human Code M Custom Fit Drawstring Bags are the best we tested, provided they fit your trash can. Simple Human makes a whole line of trash bags, like many other manufacturers. However, unlike others, they make all of their bags to fit in their own branded trash cans, each with a lettered size. Any given lettered size has a volume and a shape. 2 different letters might have the same or similar volume but different shapes. Simple Human wants you to use their trash cans and bags together, but their bags can also work well in other cans. Ascertaining which Simple Human model works for you can be a little tricky, but we can tell you that size M Simple Human bags work in at least some tall kitchen trash cans. Once you get the correct size, the Simple Human brand bags are the best we tested. They are strong, resist odors better than the majority of the other bags, and come packaged in a way that makes dispensing them neater and cleaner than any other option we tested. Don't discount the ease of dispensing. These feed out of the packages neatly and one at a time, a luxury you didn't know you were missing in your home chore routine. Our main gripe with these bags is the difficulty of discerning which size bag will work with your trash can, provided you don't have a Simple Human brand can. They are also pricier than many other bags. If you take the time to figure out what you need, you will be rewarded with high performance. Number 2. Best 30-gallon model. For extended, regular use of 30-gallon bags, we recommend the Glad Force Flex Plus Drawstring Large 30-gallon. The size and shape are standardized for typical 30-gallon cans. Note that 32-gallon cans are more common and that 30-gallon bags will not work on most larger cans. Strangely, we have found that 30-gallon bags are very common, while 32-gallon cans are the most common in this range. We appreciate that the closure is simple and clean, and the stretchy plastic is confidence-inspiring. These Glad bags performed better than most in our sniff test. The Force Flex was a decent performer in our strength tests. However, during one round of testing, it had significantly worse results than the other rounds, suggesting the possibility of manufacturing consistency issues in the batch we tested. These bags are great for those who know they have a 30-gallon can and need a bag to handle heavy loads and smelly contents. Number 3. Great value for 13-gallon. In the max strength version of our tear resistance test, it stretched to the tester's maximum reach of 75 pounds before finally failing. This stretchy performance was unique and appreciated. Only larger bags with thicker plastic matched this particular performance. In a sealed-off sniff test, this unscented Amazon Basics bag model scored in the middle of our testing group. The biggest downside is construction consistency. We used or destroyed at least 5 of every single model during our testing process. In doing so, out of 8 Amazon Basics bags we evaluated, we found one that had a failed seam. It was only a small gap but was large enough to ruin the structural integrity of the trash bag. We also noticed this issue with the other models of Amazon Basics bags we tested. After our formal testing period ended, we continued to use dozens of Amazon Basics bags and didn't encounter any more failures of this kind. Still, less expensive products like this one are more prone to such manufacturing inconsistencies. Other than this single poor performance, these are great, strong bags. Volume, 13 gal plastic thickness, 0.9 mil. Reasons to buy. Inexpensive. Very stretchy. Reasons to avoid. Inconsistent quality. Average odor count. Number 4. Proven and ultra strong. The hefty ultra strong tall kitchen drawstring tall kitchen bags do their intended job. We weren't disappointed with their performance, nor were we overly impressed with anything. The construction is simple and familiar, and the drawstring closure slides smoothly. To dispense, Hefty sets the package up with a perforated box flap that lets you pull each individual bag off the roll. During our strength testing, the Hefty Ultra Strong performed poorly across the board. It is incapable of holding more than 40 pounds. While your kitchen trash will probably never weigh this much, trash occasionally contains pointy objects. When snagged with a testing object, much like the blunt end of a click-style writing pen, the Hefty Ultra Strong failed with as little as 14 pounds. With the phrase Ultra Strong branded in the name, we expected stronger performance from these bags. Despite our gripes, these bags were serviceable and something we recommend, especially if you find them at a good price. Reasons to buy. Dispenses easily. Widely available. Reasons to avoid. Low strength performance. Minimal odor protection. Number 5. Basic 30-gallon option. Hefty Strong multipurpose large 30-gallon trash bags can be found at nearly every major retailer and are built with stout plastic. They also readily dispense from the box with little issue. In one strength test, we got this bag to hold 75 pounds before it failed. Bags like this turned our test into a good stay-at-home workout. In multiple iterations of our odor control sniff test, the Hefty Strong delivered mixed results. However, we like that these bags offer the performance they do without textured or overly elaborate construction and materials. This is a simple trash bag. Stretchy, quilted style bags work well and seem to use less material overall, for equal performance, but they don't inspire the same confidence that a bag like this Hefty does. Reasons to buy. Thick plastic. Widely available. Reasons to avoid. About average tear resistance. Average odor control. Number 6. Best for kitchen compost bins. The uni-compostable trash bags perform a very specific function. If you use them as intended, they are a decent product. These bags are biodegradable, making them ideal for collecting kitchen food waste or potentially green waste from your yard. They claim to be compostable even in home composting setups, although we didn't get a chance to see if the bags fully broke down into usable compost. Due to the biodegradable design, these bags begin to break down as soon as they have a little moisture in them. We found they started to leak within 48 hours of food waste sitting in them. We recommend throwing them into your composting bin or collection site at the end of each day, or you may end up with a big mess on your hands. They were the weakest and most prone to tearing out of all the models we reviewed. They will work fine for collecting long clippings or leaves, but anything that's slightly pokey will surely rip them. These bags are ideal for collecting your daily food waste and not much else. Reasons to buy. Usable for municipal compost collection. Usable for home composting. Reasons to avoid. Start breaking down very quickly when filled with food. Low strength.